This video is entirely edited by AI, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. All I did is I took this file over here and dropped it into this folder over here, and that's it. Literally, watch what's gonna happen. You can actually see it with your own two open eyes. It's a software that allows you to create automations for AI video edits based on what you are putting in that folder. So if you saw just now, I dropped a video into my business folder, and there's a preset prompt which you can apply in a very user-friendly way what you want it to do to the clip. Now, whatever you type in that prompt, it will do. Regardless what you type, you could type sound effects, you can type background music, you can type where you want the subtitles. Here you can see above, you can screenshot this. This is the prompt I use to edit all of my business videos. And I can't believe I'm revealing it, because if you apply this prompt into your video workflow, it will literally produce videos of the same exact quality to this video that you're seeing right now. You can see all the skills it's using. You can see all the different things it's choosing. Like, it's choosing the subtitles, it's choosing the different effects it's going to be using, the sound effect, the song in the background. Look at the timeline. It's absolutely smashed with unique and different things. You can see the subtitles already behind my head in the final product. And what you're seeing on the top right over here, all of these things loading, are different hyperframes and remotion effects. So the orange ones are remotion, the purple ones are hyperframes, and the green one is the effect that's going to make the subtitles come up from behind my head, as you can see in this video. So it isolates me from the video, and then it can place subtitles behind my head. So check this out, it's happening right now. Alright, once it does all the effects, scans the video, puts the music, puts the subtitles, once it's done all of that, it will automatically then publish this video to all of my YouTube channels, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. And I can even organize my different channels in groups. So I can have a business group, a personal group, an AI entertainment group, and it will automatically publish into the pre-selected groups that I've chosen, so that we can basically organize your entire video creation business automatically. So as you can see, it's just doing the rest of that for me right now. And then once it's finished, it's going to publish to all of my channels and add thumbnails to YouTube and create shorts from long form content, all automatically. So that summarizes this video. If you want to see the result of this, just comment link and I'll send you the link to this app. It's Windows and Mac, and then you can give it a try and see if it works for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.